Bei der Volkshochschule Schwarzachtal findet wöchentlich am Dienstagnachmittag in Winkelhaid ein Englischkurs auf A2-Niveau statt. Die engagierten Teilnehmer haben sich anlässlich des Tages der Regionen am 12. Oktober 2014 Gedanken gemacht, welche Empfehlungen für regionale Unternehmungen sie geben können, und zwar gezielt an englischsprachige Besucher. Weekend visitors in our area.
Would you like to explore the region? The Ludwig-Donau-Main Canal. The canal was built in the years 1836 to 1845 by King Ludwig I. It was a great technical building for the time. It runs from Bamberg to Kelheim. It gave barges the opportunity to transport goods from the North Sea to the Danube. The economic success was terminated by the railway. Today you can go trialing on a small barge named Elfriede. In the last 30 years the canal gained more and more importance for leisure activities like ice skating, cross-country skiing, Bavarian curling, jogging, fishing and hiking. Nowadays many people use the romantic trails along the canal for cycling tours through varied landscapes.
Wer nach dieser Entdeckertour Appetit auf mehr hat, dem empfiehlt die Gruppe den Spiegeleierweg.
The Fred Aix Sunny Side Up path from Hersbruck to Eidorf. This hiking path is one on the most beautiful trail in the Frankenalb to Franconian Mountains. It is 24 kilometers long and takes 6 hours. The route gets its name from the design of the sign which marks it and from the fact that in former times the small inns along the way mostly served Aix Sunny Side Up.
So gestärkt können auch abwechslungsreiche sportliche Empfehlungen in Angriff genommen werden.
Are you interested in sportive outdoor activities? Every year in springtime, the outdoor day at the Happurger Stausee, a reservoir near Hersbruck, is one day for crazy outdoor activities like canoeing or dragon boat racing. The new tree-top climbing park in Rummelsberg gives everybody, disabled and able-bodied people, the chance to spend an exciting time together. The running and walking course in Feucht offers 12 routes with a total length of 69.5 kilometers at different levels. You can start at 4 points: in Moosbach, at the outdoor swimming pool, at Lechle or Jägersee. This course is a perfect training track, for example, for the Wallenstein Marathon or for the Landkreislauf, which is a run through the district Nürnberger Land.
Diese abwechslungsreichen Vorschläge des Englischkurses zeigen, wie reizvoll die Region rund um das Schwarzachtal sich als Ausflugs- und Reiseziel präsentiert.